American agave, also known as century plant, is a very large plant, and these beautiful succulent leaves that have that green, silver, blue color to them are very unique. Now, this is called the century plant because it takes quite some time for this plant to bloom. Not a full century, as it might be implied by the name. It just depends on the maturity of the plant, maybe 15 years, maybe 30 years. It depends on each plant. Now, as you can see by the stalk here, and we'll show a picture of the flower later on, it's not quite open yet. It takes a long time for this to open. This is actually a member of the Asparagiaceae family. So yes, just like I said, asparagus is in the same family. Such diversity in this family. But this is a very easy care plant. An interesting fact about American agave is that this is what tequila is distilled from. So we're a little bit behind for Cinco de Mayo. Once it blooms, the plant will die back, but it does produce offshoots that can be easily propagated and actually dug up and shared with friends or moved to other places. Very easy care, very drought tolerant, loves the heat, needs a large space, and a very unique and interesting plant for the landscape. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.